Hello and welcome to the Graduate Report. My name's Danny. Wow, I said that fast. Today we take a look at the Twitter box. Why? Because that's where we usually pull our questions from. Today's question comes from Juana Rodriguez. Hey, Danny! Exclamation point. You could do a video named quotation marks. How to flirt in Serbian. At least I think it's the word too, except there's a Y in the middle of it. But that's okay, I know what you mean anyway. End quotation.
Doviđenja, u pičku materinu.
That means toodaloo, motherfucker. Of course, I'd love to tell you how to hit on a Serbian chick. It's something I'm actually quite good at.
Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we
First thing you need to do is establish a rapport with the Serbian female. This is easily done by walking up to her and saying,
Zdravo, ti imaš pička.
be sure and not ask it like a question.
Zdravo, ti imaš pička?
Because if you do that, she might think you think she's a man. And that wouldn't be good, unless you really aren't sure. They are a strong woman.
Zdravo, da li imaš pička?
That should be immediately followed by...
Ja imam kurac.
Translated into English, it sort of means...
Hello, you are a friendly person. I am also a friendly person.
It's a very loose translation. If the chickie doesn't respond in the way you'd like, follow up with... Ja imam čokoladu. Da li ti imaš pička? No, that'll pretty much get you slapped too. You know what? Turns out I don't really know how to pick up any Serbian chicks. If you are to approach a Serbian female, you should say...
E, ribo, da li se cepaš? Dosta pričanje. Ajde da se karamo malo. E, pičo, da li se cepaš? Ja imam čokoladu.
Always works. You'll definitely get some physical contact. You'll probably get smacked in the face. Yeah, physical contact, for sure. Final summation, yes, Serbian chicks are hot. No, my advice won't help you get one. But it'll put you in the ballpark, because she'll laugh at your silly ass. Doviđenja. U pičku mate. Ćao. Vidimo se. Da. Word.
Zdravo, riba. Ja bi da ti dam ceo kantu čokolade, samo da ti vidim pičku. Ajde, pokaži mi ga.
Grazota jedna!
Smrđav! Sram te bilo, ja! Peri ga nekada, pička jedna!
I'm gonna get my ass kicked. Which beckons the question, why are my Serbian videos my most popular ones? I think it's because they know how to share the shit.